kids, you know what time it is?
It's Halloween Weekly Update!
Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 19th, 2022. Here are some upcoming events. There is no school this Tuesday, August 23rd, for the Florida primary election day. September 5th, school is closed for Labor Day. September 26th is a fall holiday and school is closed. October 5th is also a fall holiday and school is also closed. Here's a message from our administration.
Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Dvorak, our elementary school counselor. I'm so glad to be back for a new school year with already some exciting things happening to build social emotional skills in our students. You will receive weekly emails from me about our Positivity Project that promotes positive relationships by understanding, appreciating, and building the character strengths in us all. We're also looking forward to having Ned's Mindset Mission Assembly this coming Monday. Ned and our students will take a journey to find their positive mindset. Make sure to ask your child what the hidden message is in Ned's name. I'll be selling his yo-yos next Wednesday through Friday in the cafeteria during their lunchtime. Our school received this assembly at no cost because another school paid it forward to us. So we want to help pay it forward too. So if you would like, you can purchase a Ned message yo-yo for either $10, $12, or $16. Thank you so much.
Hello, PBMA family. I am Miss Mason. I am the assistant principal for the high school, and I want to get you all excited about our upcoming clubs. We have our National Junior Honor Society and our National Honor Society that is being sponsored by Senora Tessier. We also have our brand new art teacher, Miss Lyman, is sponsoring our art club. So all of you creatives, get ready. We also have Mr. James, one of our new ELA teachers, that is sponsoring our poetry club. I think I might want to join that one. We also have Miss Short, who is our social studies teacher, and she is sponsoring the drama club. So all you theater folks, get your scripts and your monologues ready because it's going to be a great time. We also have Miss Sally, who is sponsoring our psychology club, and yours truly, along with one of our new teachers, Mr. Pierre, will be sponsoring a choir club. So get ready, PBMA. We're going to have a fantastic year of clubs.
Miss Choquette's 6th grade STEM class had a great time this week building towers. Mr. Perry, our new assistant principal at the elementary campus, played a learning basketball math game with Miss Braylo's 2nd grade class. The students had a great time shooting a basket after getting the correct answer. Our kindergartners are having a wonderful week adjusting to real school. We're thrilled to have our elementary media center and Miss Bartlett, our media specialist. We are waiting for our book collection to be delivered in a couple of weeks. The student housing questionnaire and consent for school health services were sent home with the students. I will email additional copies to parents. These forms need to be completed by every single parent. The housing questionnaire takes the place of our free and reduced lunch forms. This form gives students access to free SAT exams and provides free vision screening and even free glasses. Consent for school health services form is extremely important. This allows the student to be seen by the school nurse in the clinic for any health issue. If the parent does not give the school permission, the nurse will be unable to see the student for any reason, even something as simple as giving the student a Band-Aid. Parents will be called to pick up students anytime the student feels unwell, since the nurse is unable to assist the student. Of course, we will always be in contact with the parent or guardian regarding nurse visits. Uniforms are starting to arrive. If your student was here last year, please have them wear their old school uniform. If your student is a new student, they may wear a solid colored shirt and uniform bottoms until the uniforms arrive. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you will always be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.